Hi, I am Masroor Khan from Karachi, Pakistan. Welcome to my diverse portfolio where creativity meets innovation. I am a versatile designer proficient in various realms of design, specializing in brand logo design, fashion design, tech pack creation, and 2D and 3D graphic design. With a keen eye for detail and a passion for aesthetics, I bring brands to life through captivating and memorable logo designs that resonate with their target audience. In the realm of fashion design, I blend trend-setting styles with functional elegance, crafting garments that seamlessly merge fashion and functionality. My expertise extends to tech pack design, where I meticulously translate creative visions into detailed technical specifications, ensuring seamless communication between designers and manufacturers. In the digital realm, I thrive as a 2D and 3D graphic designer, bringing concepts to life through stunning visual narratives. Whether it's crafting captivating illustrations or developing immersive 3D renderings, I excel in delivering compelling visuals that leave a lasting impression. With a commitment to excellence and a dedication to pushing creative boundaries, I invite you to explore my portfolio and witness the fusion of artistry and innovation in every design endeavor.